Click the link in the description to download your own copy of this video's problem. Hey guys, Russ here coming out with another fantastic chemistry video, and today we're going to try some more Lewis structure stuff. Let's get after this question. Draw at least 4 Lewis structures for the following molecular formula. Ooh, 4. Ooh, not hard. Remember, I always like to draw my atoms out just so I make sure I don't miss any. Okay, well, it's never wrong to put all the carbons together. That's always something you can do. So there's all my carbons. Well, now you have a bunch of choices, right? I'm going to put in the oxygens now. You can put the oxygens on the same carbon. You can put them on this carbon, on this carbon, on this carbon, on this carbon. You know, put them anywhere you want. Okay? So let's put one here and one beside it. And now we have to put in 8 hydrogens. So let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 single electrons in this molecule so far. So we cannot put in the hydrogens just yet. We need to have 8 single electrons in our Lewis structure. We have 10. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. We got to get rid of 2. So we got to make another bond. Now we can make a bond here. We can make a bond here. We can make the bond here. We can make the bond here or here. There's a bunch of ways we can put that bond. A bunch of them. So let's put it at the end. Let's put it here. Let's get rid of that electron. And let's just put the bond in. That oxygen has 2, 4, 6, 8. This oxygen does not need any more bonds. So don't give that oxygen any more bonds. It'll be incorrect. So now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 single electrons and 8 hydrogens. So just put them in. Just put them in. Hydrogen here, hydrogen there, hydrogen here, 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 there, and there. Here's a little trick when doing these kinds of questions. I'm going to essentially take this molecule and redraw it over here. Trust me, it's not going to be a big deal. Trust me. These questions actually seem intimidating. They're actually quite easy. Here's the carbon skeleton with the carbonyl right here. So now the oxygen was right beside it. This is what they call the number 2 carbon. It's right here beside it. I can move it to this carbon, can't I? And have a completely different molecule. So instead of putting it here, let's put the oxygen here. And then fill in the rest with hydrogen. Remember, carbon needs to have, has to have, must have 4 bonds. So there you go. There's another one. Well, let's try something else. I move the oxygen from this carbon to that one. How about I move it from this one to that one? That'll give me another different structure. Notice I haven't even moved this oxygen yet. I've only moved this one. And I'm getting a bunch of different structures. These questions do not require you to do a lot of work. Just get one and the rest kind of fall in around it. That's usually how it works. So there's 3 of the 4. And I haven't even moved the carbonyl yet. I've left it as an aldehyde. I can move that carbonyl. So let's do that. Let's just say, okay, carbon, 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 oxygen, oxygen. So basically I have the same setup I have up here, only now instead of putting the carbonyl on the end, I'll put it in the middle. 2, 4, 6, 8. This oxygen has a filled octet. Don't put any more bonds there. 2, 4, 6, 8. This carbon has a filled octet. Don't put any more bonds there. And then fill in the rest. Hydrogen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. 2 oxygen. Satisfies that formula. Just like that. Now I could do more. I could move this oxygen here, different molecule. To here, different molecule. There's numerous Lewis structures you could have drawn for this particular formula. I've only shown you 4. There's a lot more you could do, for sure. So yours may not be the same as mine. Just make sure you have octets everywhere, no more than 1 bond to hydrogen, no more than 2 bonds to oxygen, no more than 4 bonds to carbon. Put in your lone pairs. That will make it correct. All right, guys, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, slap that like button, leave me a comment below. Let me know how I can help you out in your organic chemistry class. And you know what? If you don't mind, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really does help out YouTube creators, and even myself. When you subscribe, it lets YouTube know that our content is being watched and people are relating to it. It also keeps me personally very motivated to keep making more and more videos for you guys. So with that, I want to wish you all good luck and good chemistry. We'll see you soon. Email drbetts@protonmail.com if you would like a copy of every problem in this series.